is Chandrasekhar P. Today I am here to tell about electricity harvesting from trees. In this presentation, I am going to tell about how electricity harvested from trees and the science behind the trees and the introduction to wind power trees. Trees are a vital part of the ecosystem, but they also have the potential to generate electricity. The movement of trees in the wind can be harnessed to produce energy through innovative technologies. This presentation explores how trees can contribute to renewable energy solution by generating electricity. The science of trees. Trees sway and bend in response to wind forces, exhibiting unique mechanical properties. This natural movement can be converted into kinetic energy using specially designed devices. Understanding the dynamics of tree movement is essential for developing efficient energy generation systems. This is the mechanism for energy conversion. Various technologies can capture the kinetic energy from moving trees, such as the piezoelectric materials. These materials generate electricity when subjected to mechanical stress like bending or stretching. Another approach involves using small turbines that can harness the induced motion of branches. This is the mechanism for harnessing the energy. This is like a one proportion. These two are the gears for harvesting energy. Like when the tree branches are swing like wings, then only these two are activated. The gear mechanism will be another. The kinetic energy will be produced in this coil by using coil and magnet. That is the coil and magnetic equipment which we can set like this and vertically place this magnet and the coils. When the tree gets swing, these two are activated and mechanism will be under. Then only the electricity will be created. Benefits of tree-based electricity generation. Utilizing trees for electricity generation promotes sustainability and reduces reliance on fossil fuels. Trees can provide shade and enhance biodiversity while simultaneously producing energy. This method of energy generation can be integrated into urban environments, enhancing green spaces. Challenges and considerations. The efficiency of energy conversion from tree movement is currently limited and requires further research. Environmental factors such as tree species, age, and health can affect energy generation potential. Careful consideration of ecological impact is crucial to ensure that energy system does not harm tree health or local ecosystems. Future prospects and innovations. Ongoing research aims to enhance the efficiency of energy conversion from tree movement. Innovations in material science and engineering can lead to new solutions for tree-based energy generations. Embracing this technology can pave the way for